Today we are also showcasing the new PV series laser projectors. We will be having two models, the PV800UL and the PV710UL, 8,000 ANSI-lumen and 7,100 ANSI-lumen respectively. In terms of the key advantages, first of all, it comes in a very compact and lightweight design. Secondly, due to the very wide array of lens options, it is very flexible and easy with the installation. The new PV series also comes with professional features, for example, a wide lens shift and also geometric control via our Pro Assist software. Another very key advantage with the new PV series is that it uses the same lens options, the same ceiling mount and the same cable cover as the PA series lamp projectors. So this means that it's very, very easy to swap out and replace the PA series with the PV series.